Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where you stand. Run Flutter version and note the Dart SDK version. This tells you what to upgrade from. Once done, make a safe restore point, commit or create a branch so you can revert if needed. Make sure your system has Git and curl or the SDK manager you plan to use. This first step avoids surprises later and sets a clear baseline for dependency changes and version constraints in PubSpec. YAML before you attempt any upgrade. You next obtain the new Dart SDK that matches your Flutter channel. If you use the stable channel, switch to it with Flutter channel stable, then run Flutter upgrade. Alternatively, download a standalone Dart SDK that matches your target Flutter. Once downloaded, update your path to prioritize the new Dart binary and restart your terminal so the shell picks it up. Make sure to run Dart version and Flutter version again. This verifies the binaries align and prevents mismatch. You finish by validating the upgrade. Run Flutter pub-get, Flutter analyze, and a full Flutter build for your target platform to catch issues early. If PubSpec, YAML specifies SDK constraints, update the environment, SDK, greater or equal to, Roman 20, 03, 0, 0 or appropriate range so packages resolve. If something breaks, clear caches with Flutter clean and pub cache repair, if unresolved. Check out your backup branch and compare changes. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched Flutter versus Dart versions is the most common cause. Ensure both are aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.